Naniniwala pa rin ang National Economic and Development Authority o NEDA na matutupad ang pangako ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na magkaroon ng 20 pesos na kada kilo ng bigas. Ayon kay NEDA Director General at Socio-Economic Planning Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, kailangang mapalaki ang produksyon ng palay upang maging posible ang murang bigas. Kinakailangan din anyang mamuhunan sa equipment para sa magsasaka, makabagong binhi, nakakayanin ng climate change, teknolohiya at iba pa. Pakinggan po natin ang pahayag ni NEDA Director General at Socio-Economic Planning Secretary Arsenio Balisacan.
It may still be possible. Again, we are not in control of so many things, no? We need to increase productivity in agriculture. All right. What drives low prices are increases in productivity. I can't say that by next year you should be able to that's asking for the moon, you know. It's that, you know, that's not going to happen.